Hello, this is Eddie Edu. In the beginning of the year, Eddie took part in face-to-face trainings which he loved because he learned so much about important topics regarding his work. But over the time, Eddie forgot more and more about the contents of his training. Even though the face-to-face training taught him a lot, it would be great for him to have access to the information not only during the training, but also for another couple of months thereafter, so he could reread it regularly and over the course of time learn it almost completely by heart. That's when Eddie heard about online training. He knew the online training could not replace the face-to-face training for him because he loved the opportunity to ask questions directly and discuss issues personally. He also really liked to interact in a group, but sometimes online training is just the better option. For the online training, Eddie does not have to drive anywhere, which is great for the environment. He also does not need to wait for a free place to join the course when the course is full and there's no more room to enroll any more people. He can do it from the comfort of his home whenever he wants to. This is not only less stressful for him, but also saves him a lot of money and is even less time intensive because he does not have to travel. He can do everything at his own pace. There's no need to try to keep up with the instructor or with the other participants. In addition, this gives him the opportunity to learn self-directed. He's also able to choose when he wants to learn, which makes the online training very flexible time-wise. Since the training process is excellently documented, the effect of all his trainings can also be measured. The online training is always updated according to new requirements, which is really important for Eddie and his work. This keeps him up to date on any changes applicable. Eddie loves the fact that he has access to this training for 2 months, which is great for him as a busy businessman because in these 2 months he can reread everything, take notes, and slowly but surely learn everything by heart until it's time to take a new training because of changing regulations. He can thereafter decide again if he still wants to do a face-to-face training with the opportunity to ask questions directly, discuss and work with a group, or if he wants to do it at his own pace, in the comfort of his own home, or wherever he is and whenever he wants to with the 2 whole months of time. For Eddie Edu, online training is a great addition, but of course not a replacement to the face-to-face training. So when will you switch your trainings to the new online training platform?